If you're using Power BI Pro, then a better option is to share dashboards by email. We'll select My Workspace and select the dashboard we worked on previously. We'll then select the Share button on the top right. This will open the Share Dashboard pane. Here, we'll enter the email addresses of individuals with which we would like to share the dashboard. We have the option of including a message to accompany the dashboard, but we won't do that now. At the bottom, we can grant the recipient rights to further share the dashboard with other people. We can also decide whether to send an email to recipients. If this box is checked, Power BI will send an email to the recipients telling them that we shared a dashboard with them, along with a link to the dashboard. We can leave this box unchecked, but in order for the recipient to access the dashboard, we'll need to deliver the link through a different medium. We'll ensure both boxes are checked and select Share.